Everyone, today we learn about Roman numerals. Numerals are used to represent the numbers. Generally, we will use the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called Hindu Arabic numbers because these numbers are used by the Indians. Later, these numbers are spread around the world by Arabs. So these numbers are called Hindu Arabic numbers. But in Roman numerals, they used 7 letters as numerals. And also they gave the values to these letters. What are they? I as 1, V as 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, D as 500 and M as 1000. The letters I, X, C and M are special. Why these are special? Because they can be placed together. You can subtract only these letters and they can be repeated in a row up to 3 times and they can get added. See here, you know special. I, X, C and M are special. So we can get these I, X, C and M are get added when you write them together. Here I wrote I as 2 times. So these I get added as 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and here I wrote 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Only you can write together 3 times, up to 3 times only. Don't write 4 times, that is wrong. Here X I wrote here 2 times, they get added. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 3 times 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. You should not write it X as 4 times. That is again wrong. So on. See, here I wrote C is 2 times and 3 times. M is 2 times. Is 2000. A smaller numeral get added to the greater numeral on its left. Whenever you wanted to add a numeral in Roman, you should write the smaller numeral left of the greater numeral. Here see, V is 5 and I is 1. You should write every time the left of the greater numeral. So if you write these two numbers together, it will get added. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And here 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Here 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. When you write the larger numerals, you should write like this. A smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. See here, the smaller numeral is on right hand side and greater numeral is left. See here, this 5 will be subtracted from this 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Again, here the smaller numeral was placed right of the greater numeral. X as 10, I as 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here see, X and L. The smaller numeral is X and L is greater numeral. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. And one more thing, subtract only once from a numeral. You can only subtract a numeral only one time. A smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Here see these two numerals. Here there are 3 numerals X, I and V. X, I and H. Here in between these two numerals there is one numeral, that is I. What it represent? 1. This I will be subtracted from the number which is right side of the numeral. See, x as 10 as it is we wrote, but here 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. We'll subtract from which number? Right hand side of this numeral. Here also 10, and 10 minus 1. 10 plus 9 is equal to 90. Thank you.